Morning!
Morning!
We are going to breakfast. I have a bit of a cold starting, but we're going to breakfast. And then we gotta do some shopping today. I know, surprise. It seems like every weekend. But I'm lacking in some pieces of steel for the bike build, and I need a new pair of welding gloves because I stuck my hand in my gloves last weekend and it was full of mouse poop, and me and mouse poo don't get along. I get angered when I see mouse poo in the barn. That's why there's like 30 traps everywhere in the barn. I need to put some more out in the garage.
Yeah.
But breakfast first. I had to turn around because someone didn't remind me to check the P.O. box as we were driving by it.
And you just got done talking about it.
And I just got done talking about it 5 minutes ago. But she distracted me with talking about something else. Well, that was a wasted stop. Nobody likes us.
Nope. Nothing in the gold bucket.
Nothing in the envelopes. So, we've had breakfast. We've went to Rural King and bought some crap there. Now we're in Owasso, Michigan right now. Actually, we're in Corona, Michigan right now, on our way to Owasso, Michigan to visit my mom and stepdad. And then from there, we have 1 or 2 other stores to stop at, and then home to work on the bike build. Because I need to do some more. I have to invest some more time in it. My problem is, I'll start working on it, and then I'll get busy doing something else for a day or two. And while I'm doing whatever else I'm doing, I start thinking about the bike build in my head, and then things change. And then it's like, oh, and I just scrap the whole...
What you're doing.
Yeah, the whole thing, what I was doing before, I scrap it and change it up. What I need to do is just sit down, build the bike, and be done with it, and stop thinking so much about it. Because now I keep, when I'm not building the bike, I'm thinking about what I can do to the bike, and then that leads to changing ideas and changing things I've already started, and it's just a whole bad concept. Haha, look what I got. I got new welding gloves so I don't burn my digits. All right, we just got done with lunch. It's kind of a late lunch.
Yeah.
But I pretty much kind of got everything I was looking for. There's a few things I was unable to get, but that's okay. At least I could go home and start working on the bike build. I could work on it today and tomorrow, and hopefully get a lot of this rough framing part of it done.
Right.
The mock-up done.
The mock-up done.
And then we could start breaking her apart, and so it can go to powder coat. But we'll see. Okay. This is Shamrock Shake season. And what good is having Shamrock Shakes if the McDonald's ice cream thing is broken?
Yep.
Garbage.
Just garbage.
So now we gotta go to a different McDonald's and hope their crap's not broke, so I can get my Shamrock Shake fix. You know, this is the kind of crap that's why I'm fat. Morning. I set you guys down yesterday and like completely forgot about you. So now it's a new day and we figure we'll just continue this video until today. But I'm walking with a limp today. And let me tell you why. Last night, we got home, we were changing into our pajamas, and I was trying to be all seductive and things like that. Doing a little fat roll dance, flexing my fat rolls, and I like shifted my foot real fast and kicked the corner of the bed. And I kicked it so hard that 2 of my toes are bruised right now. Like, they're black and blue. So, yeah. There will not be any foot pictures on the internet for a while. I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek. Okay? I've been working on the bike build for a bit today. So, I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek. Here you go. That's all you get, at least for now. I've been working on around the frame and the seat pan. It's not turning out exactly like I like it to, but it doesn't look bad, just not what I would want. All I did, hang on a minute. We're gonna do another sneak peek of the exhaust. Ready? Hang on. It's dirty and dusty. Let me wipe it off. Alright. Sneak peek of the exhaust. Here we go. Alright. That's all you're getting. Yeah, I've been working around the seat pan area of the frame today, and I've been welding and grinding, and today's one of those days. It's like, it doesn't matter what I do, it just looks like crap, and then I'm spending even more time working on it, trying to get it fixed and feathered out and making it look good. But I need to make fender mounts so I can mount that fender on there. I'm at the point now where I need to make my handlebars, my sissy bar, get the fender mounts on there, and then I can pretty much break it down and it can go to paint, powder coat, and chrome. Once I break it down and the motor is sitting on the bench here, I'm going to do some things to the motor. But that's not on my high priority right now. Right now it's the getting everything mocked up and ready to go so I can get it broke down and get it to paint, powder coat, and chrome. Because my goal is to get it to at least powder coat before I start planting. That way, because he said they're going to need it at least a week or two to powder coat everything that I want to powder coat, which is fine. If I'm in the middle of planting, I'm not going to have time for this anyway. So if I can get it that far to where as soon as I'm done planting, this is done being powder coated and I can run and pick it up and then start assembling it. That's my hope. Alright guys, I have to run and get some more floppy disks for the grinder. So I'm going to end the video here, and that way you guys I can start editing you guys while I run to the store and get some more floppy disk wheel stuff. And when I say that, I'll show you what I mean. It's like a sanding disc on the grinder. At any rate, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I'm going to go shopping and edit this, and we'll talk to you maybe tomorrow.